cheese.
Cheese, not cheese. Dora. L. How do you spell Dora? D-O-R-A. Good. What is the story? Tell me. 5 little men
In the flying saucer.
Okay, let's sing the song. 5 little men flying in
Flying saucer flew on the world one day.
They look left and right,
In the city of the sun.
but they didn't like the sight. So one man flew away. 4 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight. So one man flew away. Good. Next page. So one man flew away. 3
little men in a flying saucer flew on the world one day.
They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight. Good. 2
little men in a flying saucer flew on the world one day.
They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight.
So one flew
Away. Only one little man.
One little man in a flying saucer flew on the world one day. He looked
Left and
like one in the city of the sun.
and he didn't like the sight.
So
So then he flew away.
no
No,
little man in a flying saucer flew on the world one day.
not one
Not
looked left and right, so nobody saw the sign, and no one flew away. 5 little men
in the flying saucer
came back to the world one day. They looked left and right, and they really liked the sign, so they decided to stay. Yeah, beautiful song.
这个什么？我